All right, guys. I want to talk to you about real estate investing, traditional real estate investing versus mobile home investing. Again, this is something that we always talk about, guys. We just had a seller call us offering us a free mobile home, guys. And you can't do this with traditional real estate. Who is going to call you and offer you a free home? Literally.
Yes, my name is Michael Blanchette or Blanchette. I am I have a mobile home that I bought in 1980 with the title. I'm still living in it, and it's in good shape. It has a few minor repairs left, not much at all. I have replaced all the floor and everything myself. Bathroom, everything in there's been replaced. Back bedroom completely done with laminate flooring. I changed the floors all in the living room and all. They've been replaced. I have laminate to that I bought that hasn't been applied yet, but it goes with the trailer. It all goes with the trailer. The stove, refrigerator, and let's see. What my problem is, I'm moving into an apartment, and I need the mobile home removed from this property. Once again, I have the title. I just want the mobile home removed from the property. I will give it away and give you the title.
Literally, this man called us and said, I'm going to give it to you for free. I just want it moved. You can't do that with traditional real estate investing, guys. We kind of finalizing the deal with the guy. It is a older home, but it's solid, which is the good thing. The structure is solid. It has all the good bones that we're looking for. And again, we teach you these things, what to look for, whether it's a bad investment or not. But you can't make a mistake if somebody gives you a free home if it's something that needs to be demolished. But if you know what you're looking for, if you inspect the home property, if you know how to negotiate, you can make these deals even sweeter and you can make money, again, from a free mobile home. So, guys, if you want to learn this, we've been doing this for over a decade. We show you how to do it. Check out the link in the description so you can learn more. Talk to you guys soon.